A mother convicted of murdering her newborn twins was sentenced to life in prison, but in a stunning development, the judge ordered Lindsey Lowe released because of juror misconduct.
Prosecutors appealed. Now, as Nick Barris tells us, recent court filings will decide if Lowe goes back to prison.
The stunning reversal in this high-profile case came more than a year ago after Lindsey Lowe had already served more than 9 years in prison. Now the argument's been filed with the appellate court to decide whether or not she remains free. Lowe was convicted in 2013 of smothering her newborn twins to death. In a confession, she revealed the babies were secretly born in the toilet before they died. The jury found Lowe guilty on 2 counts of first-degree murder. But then, nearly a decade later, her defense attorney argued a biased juror lied to get on the case and convict Lowe.
You're saying here, and I understand that she lied under oath. Is that what you're saying? That's what you're alleging, and that's what the proof is?
I believe that's what the proof is.
The proof? On a questionnaire during jury selection, the woman wrote this on whether she thought Lowe was innocent or guilty. Quote, she lied and killed her 2 infants, unquote. Later, under direct questioning, that same woman claimed to have not made up her mind and was chosen for the jury.
So she said one thing in there and another thing directly to the judge himself, not just to the lawyers.
The judge vacated the conviction and immediately ordered Lowe released. Prosecutors have appealed, arguing, among other things, there's not clear proof the juror was biased or influenced the outcome of the trial. But in a response filed this week, Lowe's attorneys cited dozens of cases where so-called stealth jurors resulted in mistrials. Legal analyst Nick Leonardo agrees.
I mean, what worse thing could you do but lie in open court to the judge and to the DA?
The appellate court will decide, likely later this spring, whether or not the judge made the right decision by declaring a mistrial. If that decision is upheld, prosecutors will have to decide whether or not to try Lowe again more than a decade later. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Lowe remains free, working and living with her parents.